Question 61. What is the maximum electrode length for manual CACA gouge operations on carbon steel-based materials? Answer, 7 inches. Question 62. In the event of a big chemical leak, which of the following contacts should be made? Answer, the listed emergency number. Question 63. What causes a convex fillet weld when GTAW welding aluminum? Answer, adding too much filler metal, travel speed too fast, and current too low. Question 64. Which of the following is the maximum allowable temperature for a sealed bearing? Answer, 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 65. Which of the following is used to regulate the pressure on an oxy-fuel cutting torch? Answer, regulators. Question 66. What is the most effective approach for controlling arc radiation, fumes, and vapors while utilizing PAC? Answer, use a water table and complete the cut underwater. Question 67. How does the gas flow meter calculate the gas flow? Answer, volume of gas. Question 68. Is it necessary to clean the welded joint prior to aluminum welding? Answer, true. Question 69. The consumable electrode in GMAW welding procedures is comprised of? Answer, continuous wire. Question 70. How would you professionally and securely repair a grinding wheel that has gotten coated or encrusted with foreign particles? Answer, dressing. Question 71. Where would you most likely discover the appropriate degree of acceptable angular distortion? Answer, notes and specifications. Question 72. What is the primary purpose of lubricating equipment? Answer, reduce friction and wear. Question 73. Which welding technique is used to achieve high-quality welds on essential weldments? Answer, GTAW. Question 74. Compressed acetylene gas is particularly unstable? Answer, true. Question 75. According to the safety code, which of the following is the right process for changing a hoist cable? Answer, when there are 3 broken wires in a cable lay. Question 76. What is the color band of EWTH1? Answer, yellow. Question 77. How wide should a weave bead be for certain applications? Answer, 2 to 3 times the bare electrode diameter. Question 78. Which of the following is the purpose of a tagline? Answer, prevent swinging of the load. Question 79. Which of the following do choker knots reduce the strength of lifting cables? Answer, 0.5. Question 80. What is the expected outcome if the welding current is very high or the arc length is excessively long? Answer, irregular, wide, and splattered weld.